Trapper of the year, bitch, I can't stop, can't stop. Trap so stanky, you can smell it through the package.
Oh shit.
What up guys, Tips here, back again with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to patch your tires on the go. Step 1, take the air out of the tires. This will make it easier for you to work on. Insert in the patching tools. If you happen to come across a screw instead of a nail, you should consider just unscrewing it instead of just pulling it out. Okay, the first tool you want to grab is a tool that looks similar to an ice pick. You need to insert it into the hole in a twisting motion. This will make it easier to get it in. Releasing more air out of your tires will help you out too.
Getting the tire.
You need to insert the tool fully into the tire. Then thrust the tool 3 to 4 times into the tire. You don't want to do this too much because you might cause a bigger hole. Now grab one of the lines for the patch and insert it into the tool that looks like a needle. Take your time, this could be a little bit tricky. Now insert one of the patch lines into the tool that looks like a needle. The patch should be threaded through into the middle. Insert the patch and the needle in a twisted motion. Remember to always use step 1 if you find yourself at any point struggling to get any of these tools in. Do not insert the patch all the way through the tire, just until they touch. Now remove the patching tool in one pull-in motion. Now you need to grab a knife to remove the extra patching material. Now you need to grab a lighter so you can heat up the patching material so you can mold it into the tires. You can use one of the tools to mold it in, or your fingers, doesn't matter.
It really does. Looks like someone just shit on your tire. That's what I'm saying, bro. It looks like someone took a shit on your tire. And last but not least, don't forget to air up your tires. You would know.
Shout out to Gary for for all the help. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure you tune into the next episode of Iron the Tips, because I got a big surprise for you guys coming up. Alright, catch you guys later, yo.